Breaking news from University of Sydney. Scientists found that simply changing your diet for 4 weeks can reverse your biological age. And the results of that can show within a month. First, quick difference. Your chronological age is how many birthdays you had. Your biological age is how well your body is functioning in a cellular level. So you can have two friends who are both 65 years old. One can have a biological age of 55 and one can have a biological age of 75. One can have better diet, better exercise, better life, better lifestyle. The other might not. University of Sydney researched adults aged 65 to 75 and asked them to simply change their diet for 4 weeks. They were asked to reduce fat in their diet and change to plant-based protein, which showed improvement in their key aging markers, and their estimated biological age actually dropped. So biological age dropped within 4 weeks from diet alone. Researchers tested 4 different diets, providing 14% total energy from protein. The strongest results came from a lower fat, higher carb diet and from replacing animal protein with plant-based protein. In simple terms, less red meat, more plants, more fiber. Those combinations move the aging needle biomarkers faster than research expected. Researchers used 20 biomarkers to calculate biological age scores, including cholesterol, insulin, C-reactive protein levels, a key maker of inflammation. Cholesterol, insulin, inflammation, those were the same markers linked to heart disease, diabetes, and chronic pain. Improving them through diet just 4 weeks is generally impressive. Researchers emphasize that these findings offer a preliminary indications rather than a conclusive proof, calling for a longer research time to confirm whether these improvements really reduce disease risk over time. So this is not a miracle cure. It is an early promising evidence, but it is from one of the world's most respected universities and published in Aging Cell, a top-tier science journal. Here's my take as a science professional. Your body responds to what you eat faster than what most people realize. 4 weeks, this is 1 month, to start your biological age in the right direction. You cannot change how old you are, but you might be able to change how old you feel. I'm Just Zeb, a former dental hygienist, a former teacher, a science nerd here in Arizona. Drop in the comments. Would you try a 4-week plant-based diet to feel younger? And follow, because apparently I have a lot to say.